It happens to everyone. You're minding your own business when suddenly... Oh no! Don't you wish you had the perfect 3-word phrase for situations like this? Well, now you do. Introducing the Bless Your Heart button. It's the only electronic device with 1,000 different uses, but only one incredibly versatile saying.
Seriously?
Just press the heart and let the button do the blessing.
Bless your heart.
Now this is what my house really needed.
I thought we needed the shelf. Not just your house, you can use it anywhere. Like the office.
Did you see this? I leave one little tuna casserole in the break room fridge for 3 months, and everyone just loses their mind.
Bless your heart.
Or use it with your friends.
Well, my Ethan is reading at above an 8th grade level. He's leaving all of his other classmates in the dust. But what can I say? That's my little genius.
I think your little genius just put a dog turd in his mouth.
Ethan, no! Get that out of your mouth!
Bless your heart.
The Bless Your Heart button is perfect for almost any situation, especially these.
Now I never have to be at a loss for words again.
Hot leg.
He literally just said it was hot.
I thought I'd at least be cool enough to touch with my hands.
Bless your heart.
I can't tell if you're being serious or if you're just making fun of me.
So what are you waiting for? Unlike Happy Honk, this is a real product you can actually buy.